In today's video, I'll be guiding you to download New World Aeternum on any PC or laptop. Now what you want to do first is you want to go ahead and open any web browser, and then once you're here, you now want to go to the search bar and type out Steam. So now once you've done that, you want to now make sure to find the official website for Steam, then go ahead and click on the first link you see that says Welcome to Steam. So now once you've done that, what you want to do now is you want to go to the top of your screen and make sure to click on Install Steam. So now once you've installed your Steam, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and type out New World Aeternum. So now once you've located the game, what you want to do now is you want to click on View Page. So now as you can see, the game is now literally on display onto your screen, and what you want to do is in order to play it, you now want to go ahead and scroll down till you see Add to Cart. Then you want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to make sure to click on View My Cart, and then all that's left for you to do now is to click on Continue to Payment. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.